Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss the next category in function is a function with a return type and with arguments with return type and with arguments. When function has arguments and also return a value, then it is called as a with return type and with argument. General syntax to declare this type of function is return type function name and argument list. This is the general syntax for declaration of this type of function. To call the function with return type and with argument is, to call the function, syntax is variable name equal to function name and list of actual parameters. Here variable name is used to hold the value returned by the function. The type of variable should be matched with the type of return value. Example, suppose if prototype of function is like integer, return type serve is the function name, and here we take two arguments, integer a and integer b, and on the basis of this example, following are the valid function calls. Are, we can also write integer result equal to sub function name of 4 and 7. Here we pass the values in the parenthesis. Second, suppose integer x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 7. We can also pass variable name equal to function, and here we pass variable x and y. Or in a third sentence, we can also print a f statement. We can also call the function in a printf statement, that is sub of x comma y plus 1. In this way we can also call the function. Or fourth, here we can call the function value plus value and variable. In this way we can also call the function. We can use the variables to store the value returned by the function shown in example first and second. In this way, or this is the valid function calls. Let us see one example of or one program of this type, this category. Write a program to add two numbers using with return type and with argument. Let us see. Here we include header files, include stdio.h, include conio.h. We declare function add, and here we pass two variables int with the integer data type. Here int is the return type, that means it returns the integer value. Add means function name, and here this is the formal parameters. This is called as a function declaration. After declaring a function, we write a main function. In this main, we take three arguments: integer, a, b, and answer. And in the next sentence, we enter values from user. Enter values from user. After that, we call the function. Here we take variable name answer equal to function name add, and here passing the parenthesis a comma b. After that, we print the answer. Printf addition equal to %d. It returns in integer, that's why we take a specifier as a %d and answer. Here we close the main section. After that, we define function addition. Here we take two variables, integer x and integer y. After that, in a addition function, we take one argument, that is integer j, and perform the operation, addition operation, and stored in a j variable, and return that j variable to the called function. We can also, instead of these sentences, we can also write return x plus y. This is also valid. Here in this example, after declaring a function in the main section, here we enter two values. After entering two values, here call a function addition. After calling a function, cursor goes to the function definition. In function definition, here perform the operation and returns the value to the called function. And after that continue the execution, that is, it prints the value. Here suppose we enter two variables or two values, that is 2 and 3. Here the answer of or addition equal to answer is 5. Thank you.